Oh, we should be live now. Just give me a second while I double check everything, and then we should be good. We should be live now on YouTube. I'm just double checking to make sure that we are, and then I'm gonna share it with you guys. Yeah, the thing's accident there. We should be good. And we should be live now on YouTube. I'm just double checking to make sure that we are. I'm just double checking to make sure that we are. Okay, we're at 180p. Alright, we're good. Alright guys, so we are live on YouTube. If you guys want to look at some charts and the stuff that I'm going to go over, you guys obviously go on YouTube for there. That's where I'm going to go over the stuff that I'll be trading today. I'm definitely looking at some SMC shorts more than anything. But we'll go over and see what's up here. So we're looking at gold, right? We're looking at gold here. Obviously, when we're looking at the daily time frame, we're a little bit bullish. Not really much is grabbed. It does seem like price wants to go back up towards the all-time highs of the 2940. The daily yesterday was bullish, like it engulfed the bearish candle from yesterday, and also went down to some oversold territories as well. That's something that I'm looking at. And then if we look at the sessions from gold, like if we look at the M15 and we look at London highs and London lows, we were unable to take the lows. We did take the highs. So that's the part that kind of, I guess, it's like 50-50 where price wants to go, but it does seem like price will continue going higher for gold for the remaining of the session. Now, the only issue with price here with gold, if you want to see the charts, go on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now, guys. The only issue with gold is that we're still kind of stuck in the range, right? It's stuck from that 2922 from that 2910 mark. That's the only issue that I see with gold. But other than that, I could still see gold definitely continuing going higher from this. If we look at price down to this area, like at the lows that we grabbed, we went down here. This is a 3 drive here, right? So this is a beautiful 3 drive that we made. With gold, we dropped down once right here at the 2913. Then again we dropped down again from this level here, and then we had that final sweep at around 2912. So now what I'm looking for here is definitely going to be some type of fair value gap where it can show me that prices will go back up higher and take off all the highs sitting at above 2925. So if we look at gold from an overall perspective, looking at it like from the M1, not really much of FEG, not really much there either, and not much either on M5 as well. Looking at M15, not much. So not really much of a clear FEG yet on these temperatures where you could try to capitalize from with gold. I'm about to pay the thing again to look at the M3 and M1, but it doesn't make any sense as of yet to look at that. Let's see if there's any news on Forex Facts because I haven't even checked that. We do have news at 9:45. We had CPI that just happened at 8:30, and it came out negative 2.8%. And then we do have more liquidity coming in, but for CAD at 9:45, and then at 10:30 we have also CAD news. What's going on, Speed Hub? I don't know what to do here for US30. US30, we look at price. We had nice bearish candle. We went all the way back up to grab all that liquidity. We have a nice order block that we also hit as well. The overall structure of US30 is obviously bearish, so this is probably perfect to continue with this sell. If we look at price, we also hit this FEG over here. So looking at the H1, just from H1 itself, we could definitely short this. But if we wanted to look for more confirmations here with US30, we could look down at price from that mark at around, I would say anywhere around the 41900 area with US30, but definitely We could be looking at shorts for US30. Just from the H1, that's probably good enough to take off the shorts. And if we look at liquidity here, liquidity is sitting right below. So yeah, this is, I mean, you don't even have to wait for this, I would say. You could just take this, like right now. From where price is currently at with US30, you could take this and expect price to drop easily all the way down to take off the lows here at around the 4174 mark. But just to be safe, you could even have TP1 sitting here at around the 43921 mark. So that would be the first trade I would say for today. Nothing crazy. Even where price is currently at, we should continue dropping. I'm gonna go ahead and take that on my phone, and I'm obviously gonna call that out on the main chat on Telegram. So I'm gonna give me 1 second while I get in this. Alright, so this is the trade that we're currently looking at right here. This is US30 right here. We're already fucking melting from that level. I mean, this was beautiful. If you look over here, what I'm looking, what's going on October? What I kind of already saw here was just the H1. This is literally all we need. We don't have to go drop down more. If we look at price, you have this H1 high that led to a slow. We have this liquidity grab. And then we expect it to drop all the way down lower. Obviously, if we get like a little bit of a better entry here, like an FEG that kind of occurs here, then you're in for the sell. But you could expect price to drop. You know, realistically, we shouldn't go back up higher. If we are going up higher, we're just taking off some liquidity, but price could easily drop all the way down to take off the liquidity or the lows down here, especially from where price is currently set at. We should see continuing price to drop here with this level. So that will be the trade, I guess, for right now. I'm also focused, or I was focused on gold longs, but I mean, it's just up there, right? It's just up there. Not much here to trade from. What's really more prone to drop now would be US30, obviously. This is the sell that I will be on, that I will obviously be holding for a minute. Is that gold? Yeah, this is gold. No, this is not gold, sorry, this is US30. AMREC. This is US30 dollar. What's good, Tober? Tober, long time no see, man. What's poppin'? How are you doing? That was US30, and then we're looking for gold to go back up higher around the 2925, but we're not in that. We're just holding US30 sells right now, looking for that market open in an hour, obviously, but the liquidity presented itself now because of the news that we have. So that's an important part. Even with the market's not open, pre-market, if there's news like there is now, you can take that sell. Shall we short? We've been on the short, bro. We've been on the short. I call this out like where price is at, you know? Love from Bangladesh. What's going on, brother? How's it going, bro? Good, man. How's it going over there? How's the business going with the shirts and all that shit over there in Argentina? What's going on, Speed Hub? I should have been in the short, brother. I don't know why you're not in it. Could you please show the full chart? What do you look? What are you trying to look at? AMREC, rank. What is it you wanted to see? That much. I was trading so market popping as I saw you were live. I see that, brother. Yeah, market's been slow. I haven't really traded for a while, but I have to trade today because I have a long day ahead, so I have to trade today. Like, I haven't been wanting to trade, but today I have to trade because I gotta make money, you know? If it wasn't for today, I probably wouldn't be trading. I would be just knocked the fuck out. But we're looking good right now. We're looking good with US really dropping. Doing good, not working much now. Get you back in their lives, man. Oil? No, I'm not trading oil. This is the trade that I'm in right now, that I called out on the Telegram as well. If you guys see here, we called that out. Pretty easy setup, calling that sell, and we can see our prices dropping from that level. I mean, just from structure, you can see here, had that high to this low, liquidity grabbed the top, and then we're expecting price to take off the lows all the way down. We're looking for price to drop all the way down, at least to here. If we look at from liquidity, like from London session, we drop down and just see that session. Obviously, all the liquidity is pinned here, right? So all the liquidity is pinned here. We see Asian highs grabbed, London highs grabbed, liquidity grabbed, FVG, order block. Literally perfect for this continuation to drop down lower. And then for gold, the polar opposite. For gold, we can see we didn't take the liquidity from London, so I don't like that at all. But we can see how we didn't make a 3 drive. So here we had the 1 drive, 2 drive, 3 drives, and then we had this bullish push. I'm not sure if we had a small term FVG there. We could have had potentially a small term FVG, but even just this H1 FVG that filled up, you know, we should continue seeing gold take off the highs above up there for sure. On this, looking great right here for US 30, looking great. I mean, that's a beautiful H1 candle. I was long before I went up. I didn't even know there was news. Feel that. Soon, once we take off the lows at 41423 with US 30, break even. So once we take off those lows, break even, and then we'll see what price is from there. And then hopefully we can drop down to take off the lows at 4159.55. But I definitely don't want to be in the trade when that market opens. I wouldn't want to see price, you know, then spike back up to my entry and then take me out. You know, I wouldn't want to see that. So I definitely want to be able to break even right here at 1.4041, which is at 41391.21. That's where I want to be at break even before that market opens at 9:30. What XAU USD market view, Shvaska. So what I see for gold can definitely take off the highs at around 2925. I mean, pretty clear FVG here at the 2950 mark. We also made a H at M5 FVG here, which is interesting. This could definitely be an entry model right here. I can't lie, this would be interesting to take from there. So you can continue looking at that. Honest, from a smart time, that doesn't look too bad, and it could make sense to take off that liquidity again. But the thing is that we just see price. I don't see price doing that, right? Because we do have that H1 level there. So if we look at price here from gold, like what I'm looking at here, if it were to come back down to here, it would be great to then rebalance back up there. But I don't think it's going to do that, right? I think it just rebalanced this level. We do have that small time from M1 that rebalanced. Now it could continue back up higher to take that. I don't see price doing this. This doesn't make any sense from a small term scope because we already rebalanced that. So you could discount this M5 FVG. I don't think at all it should rebalance that. From here, just go back up higher to take off the highs at 2926 mark for gold. Along on gold, I mean, yeah, gold should definitely continue going higher. I'm not liking this price action here for US 30. I would prefer just price to go from here. It could rebalance like 50% of this candle, and that wouldn't be too shabby. So like I would be happy if it just took the 41.833 mark, like the next candle. Let's say it goes back up to here, that's fine. But anything above that, I wouldn't be happy at all. I would just like to see price, if anything, go back a little bit above that to the premium, and then drop back down to here, or we're at break even, and then see price drop down to there. That would be ideal for sure. That would be ideal for sure. But now it's just a waiting game. Now it's just a waiting game with gold, with everything else. Honestly, gold, if it does then take off those highs, and it hasn't really done much from this level, from this low, from 2912 to 2915. If it were to drop back down here to the 2915 mark, I wouldn't mind the longs. It should continue up there. It should continue up there. So if I see price up, like come back down here to this FPG, we'll definitely have stops below this level, and then we can see price go back up to this level. That's if we don't take the highs right now at like right here. So let me see that each one. If we don't take these highs here at 2922 for gold, we could see price drop down. This is the important part. So that's only if we don't take the highs. If we take the highs there, then the M1 has shifted. It has broken that structure. So we have a now higher high, obviously, right? If we take the highs from gold, this is what I'm talking about here. So I'll make sure you guys see here. If you see gold here, we have this leg of structure, right? This is the leg of structure that we're in. We can see how over here we had a drop down, and then we had a rebalance from this FPG. So this is M1 structure. This is, you can call this monetary structure, that doesn't matter. If we were to drop down here, we're still with our overall leg of structure with this M5. So we can still take this to go back up higher, but if we break this high here, then this leg in the M1 has now turned into the new leg of structure, right? So we could discount this and price should continue. So as long as we're not breaking this and we come back down here, we can take off the highs. But if we want to take off these highs, then we're pretty much screwed with the M1 because there's now been a new leg of structure. So as of now, it is looking great for price to drop back down to rebalance this and then continue going back up higher for gold, for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and just call this out on the Telegram, and we can see what price does from here as well, because I do like these longs as well. I really do like them. What happened to my Telegram? Why the hell did it send me out? I'd like to see it go down and take lows from 11 a.m. yesterday. That's cutting it short, I think. I'm not sure that will happen, to be honest. Maybe, maybe not. What happened to my Telegram? I'm so confused. Okay, so US 30 still dropping down from that level. Not much yet, but I mean, whatever. I hate that I can't. I'm just gonna take a picture and send it to my Telegram because I don't know what's going on here. I got signed out of everything, like all my Telegrams. What the hell? Where are you from? United States, but I'm in. Well, sorry, I'm Colombian, but I'm from the United States. I'm living in the United States. I gotta see who have all my Telegrams. I don't know why I got signed out. It's weird. Trying to check on BTC. Yeah, I got you. Hold on. Check on Bitcoin right now. Give me a second. It's expensive, October. It's expensive. So gold still hasn't really dropped to that level. Not yet. You teach? Not anymore. Not anymore. Oh, slime. What the hell? What's good, slime? Not anymore, brother. S30 still hasn't gone up. Hasn't dropped down to where I wanted to drop down, which is a little bit frustrating. Kind of sucks. Still sitting up there. So boring. Yeah, Surrey's just stuck, man. Hasn't really done much. I mean, I feel like the news hit. And obviously that's why it's not moving, you know? The news hit, and obviously it's not moving anymore. What's going on, Black Titan? Also interesting the way that if you look at S&P, we took off the highs. That's a lot of confidence right there as well. But we didn't really take much. Oh, weird PA we yesterday, I can't lie. All the way from Kenya? October, it's expensive, man. It's expensive here for sure. What's going on, Ashash? Okay, so US30 still not moving, kind of just like hanging on around my entry, which is very unfortunate. We have 9 minutes to go before the hour candle closes, and then gold is about to hit that entry at the 2916 area. That might be a good entry as well, but I'm definitely won't take it as long as I'm in US30. And I'm expecting US30 to continue dropping. It can rebalance a little bit, that doesn't mind, or doesn't scare me at all. I just don't want to see it again go back up towards the 41950 area. That's the only thing that I don't want to see. As long as it stays by this level, that's fine with me. Because obviously that H1 candle that it made, like, it's ridiculous. You know, we don't want to see that either. We would like to see price, you know, move nice and healthy here. We also rebalance these levels. We still have the overall leg of structure where we really have much to worry about. There's not much that could scare me with US30. Just seeing price with this H1 candle go all the way back up towards the order block, that would be the only thing that scares me. But as long as it rebalances a little bit, that's fine. And then gold again, just stuck as well, but I wouldn't get in yet. I would prefer seeing price drop back down towards that FEG at the 2915. The only issue with it dropping down to a level is that we have a bearish order block there as well. You guys are trading crypto too. I don't know how you guys are trading crypto in this alt season. Like, the market to me has been terrible. Let me actually look at it because I haven't seen it in a while, but let me see crypto real quick. Let's see how BTC is doing. Well, that's not bad. It's gone up a bit from when I last looked at it. Still not the best. . I'm trading mostly crypto. That's crazy. Have you guys gotten into meme coins? Anybody? Anybody got into meme coins? I've never gotten into that shit, but people have been gotten hella lucky with that. I like tried for a little bit. I remember I deposited, how much was it? Well, I tried twice. The first time that I tried, I had WLDUSDT. What the hell is that? Wild Tether. That just looks like a Bitcoin chart, but like dumb. So my crypto meme story is I first tried when it came down to, I first tried because I had a friend that he was making a coin, or not, he wasn't making the coin. He had a friend that was making that coin, and then I deposited, I think it was like a rack. No, it was a rack. It was a rack that I deposited into it, and I saw it go up like, I was like up like $100 overnight. I look up the next day and I'm down to 1.2, so I cashed the shit out and it ended up being a rug. Like it was a rug coin. Like almost every other meme coin that there is. The owners though, they made like 100K of that coin, obviously, because they rugged everybody. That was my first round of meme coins. And then my second chunk of meme coins, I deposited, I think it was like $500, something very low. And I just copy traded it from a wallet and I lost that too. And from there forward, I've never tried again meme coins. I have a friend that does like meme coins, that he does go with it, but I've never really, I guess I don't really believe it too much. That's my own fault. Because if I would have believed some, I would have definitely made bread. Some, not all. And that's getting in and out, like fucking fast as hell. I'm talking like holding for less than an hour with these coins from the shit that I've seen is how you make money. I'm not saying you can't make money with meme coins, but I feel like it's way harder than how you would make money with trading, right? Because with meme coins, like, bro, there's not really any structure. You're trading it based off meme coins. You're trading it based off fucking the hype. What else are you trading meme coins of? Like, I don't even know, so I wouldn't be able to tell you guys because I don't know. But from what I've seen, trading meme coins based off hype, trading it based off how much holders there are, you know, to see if it's a rug or not. You're trading it based off who made the coin, how long has the coin been out for, you know, like it's just, I feel like that's more gambling than trading, if I'm honest, for meme coins. And then, you know, you can't get rugged no matter what. Like this, you're telling my account delete? I'm not sure, honestly. It kicked me out. I don't know what the hell's going on. Well, is my like Telegram still active? Like my whatchamacallit, on my big chat, because I had like 6K there, so if that deleted, that will suck. But I don't know if my Telegram deleted, to be honest. I think it did. I don't know, because it logged me out. Like I'm trying to log in here. I was trying to log into my phone and it's not letting me log in, which is weird. Very weird. No way, my phone died. Fuck. My phone died, guys. Bullshit. I think I'm just gonna call it. Since my phone died, I'm just gonna call it here. I'll see you guys in a bit. You guys know how it goes. Don't trade, don't leverage. Safe trading. It's good seeing you all. Peace, peace.